Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Problem Solving Part 1. Basic operations are taught in mathematics in order to gain problem-solving skills. With younger students, concrete materials may be used initially. As skill levels and confidence increase, concrete materials may no longer be needed. Example 1. Tom has 6 marbles. He is given another 3 marbles for being a good student. How many marbles does Tom have now? So there are the initial 6 marbles. There are the 3 that he was given. And when we put those together, look what we have. 9 marbles. So Tom now has 9 marbles. So if you count that group of marbles there, you'll see there are 9 marbles. Number 2. Sue has 7 matches and Mary has 8 matches. How many do they have altogether? Now if you read the sum carefully, that is an addition sum. So here are your 7 matches and here are the 8 matches. When you put them together and you count them, you get 15 matches altogether. So this is what you do when you use concrete materials, that is, materials that you can see and you can feel and you can manipulate and move around. So when you do that and you count those matches individually, there are 15 of them. In the school car park there were 3 red cars, 4 blue cars and 5 yellow cars. How many cars were there altogether? This type of question, when it says were there altogether, that is an addition sum. So here we are, we're adding the red cars to the blue cars to the yellow cars to get the total. So the total number of cars is 3 plus 4 plus 5, and that gives us 12 cars. In a cricket match, Ted scores 23 runs and Bill scores 56 runs. How many runs did they score between them? This expression between them means that you add the two totals up. So we add 23 to 56, 3 plus 6 is 9, 2 plus 5 is 7, and we get 79 runs. Susie had $43 in the bank. She decided to deposit another $25. How much money does she have in her account now? So if she started with an initial amount and then she put some more in, deposit means you put money in, that is definitely addition. Excuse me. So 43 plus 25, 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, $68. Mary drove 34 kilometres to the shop. She then drove another 25 kilometres to visit a friend. How far did she drive in total? In total means you add them up. So 34 plus 25, 4 plus 5 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5. So she drove 59 kilometres in total. One tree was 18 metres tall and the next tree was 25 metres tall. What was the total height of the 2 trees? So total height means you add them up. 8 plus 5 is 13, so you have 3 ones. Remember that's the ones column. And remember about the trading when we do simple addition. So we trade, so that now becomes 110 because you had 13 ones, which is 110 and 3 ones. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 4. So that gives you 43 metres for the total height. What is the sum of 24 and the next even number after 24? We know that 24 is even because it ends in 4. So the next even number must be 26 because you just add 2 to 24. 4 plus 6 is 10. So there are 0 ones and 1 lot of 10. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 50. So this video has given you an introduction into problem solving, and we have to read the problem carefully to decide which operation to use.